Welcome to my channel, Crystal here. Today's video is another roll cake video with my favorite ingredient, chocolate. After some practice of the original Swiss roll cake, I was able to add a chocolate flavor in the cake to make this one. Different from the Swiss roll cake, this chocolate roll cake has rich, creamy texture and a hint of fruit from the filling and a mildly sweet and bitter chocolate flavor from the cake. It immediately becomes my kids' favorite homemade dessert. If you like chocolate, this cake will be a healthier alternative to enjoy chocolate without taking in too much sugar and fat. Now let's get started. First, line up the baking sheet. I have detailed instructions in the other roll cake video on how to line up the sheet neatly. Get this step out of the way. You will make the whole process way more smooth before you get deep in the woods. Then move on to separating the eggs. This chocolate roll cake needs 5 eggs. Crack the eggs in a bowl. Then pick up the egg yolk carefully and transfer it in another bowl. Add 5 tablespoons oil, 5 tablespoons milk, beat until the mixture is well combined. Then add 3/4 cup of cake flour. Use a mesh strainer to filter out the clumps in the flour if necessary. Mix until the batter is smooth. For the egg white, add 1 teaspoon white vinegar. Then mix until you see the white bubbles. Then in 3 times, add in 4 tablespoons sugar. Mix every time you add sugar in. Keep mixing until the firm peak appears when you lift up the mixer. For the chocolate flavor, I simply melt 4 pieces of milk chocolate candy in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes. Then stir a little bit to turn the chocolate into liquid form. Then mix the chocolate into the egg yolk batter until it becomes consistent. Then in 3 times, add the egg white batter into the egg yolk mixture. Blend until it's well combined. Then pour the mix into the baking tray. Smooth out the surface. Drop the pan a few times to get rid of the bubbles. Then bake under 320 Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. When you press down the cake, it should bounce back immediately. Cool down in room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes. While waiting, prepare the fillings. Pour 200 milliliters heavy cream in a bowl. Mix a little. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. I also add 2 wedges of spreadable cheese. Mix until the batter is firming up. Then lift the cake out of the pan. Cover with a big enough parchment paper. Flip over. Peel off the paper. Cut the dry edge off. The cake now is very soft. Then from the longer side of the cake, ½ inch away from the top, slice diagonally towards the bottom edge to create the angled side for a flatter roll cake ending. Then spread the filling evenly on the cake. Add a roll of raspberries at the beginning. Then hold the paper, start to roll. Gently press down to create the curve at the beginning. Then keep lifting the paper and roll it up. When you come to the end, insert a ruler underneath the cake. Hold the bottom side of the paper while pushing the ruler into the cake to tighten up the roll. Take the ruler out, wrap up the roll, and put in the fridge for at least 1 hour to let the shape settle. When it's time, take it out, unwrap the paper. Then cut the cake into slices. Enjoy! This is how to make the chocolate roll cake. I hope you enjoy the video and give it a try. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel for more healthy home cooking video every week. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!